Hello geometry students. This is the last video for section 11.4. As I promised, I'm making another video, and the topic for this part of the lesson is the areas of composite figures, which is technically more than one polygon. It could be circle, it could be triangle. So what I want to try to do is walk you through the steps so you can do your homework. Obviously it's more challenging because it's more difficult, but hopefully you can follow me when I explain this. So let's look at question number one. Okay, in question number one, I have an isosceles triangle and I also have a rectangle. So the best way to do this is to split this into two parts. Okay, so I have a triangle and I have rectangle. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the area of each and then find the sum, and my answer would be there in square meters. Every time you struggle with something, do whatever you can. What's easier to find, area of a rectangle or area of a triangle? Obviously rectangle. So this rectangle, I will do it quickly. Area will be 12 times 5, okay, and 12 times 5 is 60 square meters. That's it. So area of a triangle is, rectangle is 60 square meters. Now, let's redraw the triangle. Triangle is isosceles. Okay, the base is 12. Now, what is the height of this triangle? Okay, what is the height of this triangle? 20 is the entire length. This is 5. So do we agree height is in the middle? It's perpendicular to the base. So the height will be 20 minus 5, which is 15. Okay, so this height over here, it's 15. Okay, who remembers the formula for area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, which is 1/2 times 12. This is 12, not 17. Let me erase this. Okay. So area is 1/2 times 12 times 15. Half of 12 is 6. 6 times 15 is 90. So area of the triangle is 90 square meters. Therefore, what's the final answer? What is the area of this composite figure? It will be 60 plus 90, which is 150 square meters. Okay? So the area of this composite figure would be 150 square meters. Very good. Next question. Question number 2. When I look at this picture, I'm thinking about ice cream. I don't know if the same. It's kind of. Let's not talk about food. Okay, let's go back to geometry. So, in question number 2, I have semicircle. Okay, and I also have isosceles triangle. Let's look at semicircle first. Area of a circle is pi r squared, but I will divide it by 2 because it's half circle. So it will be pi r squared divided by 2, which is 3.14 times, how long is the radius? If diameter is 3, the radius will be 1.5 to the second power divided by 2. Now, if you take a calculator, okay, 1.5 to the second power times 3.14 divided by 2, I got approximately 3.5. Okay, so the area of the semicircle is equal to 3 5/10 square feet. Okay, now how do you find the area of this triangle? Okay, so the triangle I will draw over here. Okay, this triangle, the base is 3. Let me double check the height. Base is 3, height is 7. Okay, so you get 7 and 3. So area equals 1/2 times 3 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Half of 21 is 10.5. Okay, so the area would be 10 and 5/10 square feet, I believe. So what's the final answer? What's the area of the composite shape? Okay, it would be 10.5 plus 3.5, which is 14 square feet. Now, when you do your homework today, or because I kind of gave you assignment for 2 days, you may have some problems that look slightly different. Okay, obviously I can't give you same problems, but obviously do them, and you can email me, or we can do this during our meeting on Friday. Just I'm open to questions. Okay, so please do not be afraid to ask questions. Thank you very much. Bye bye.